Do you know what the difference is between great and average? What is it that separates those who are successful from the ordinary? Challenge. There's nothing average about running towards danger to help someone else rather than running away from it for yourself. And there's nothing ordinary about our training, tradition, and professionalism. There's nothing average about being a Kentucky State Trooper. Have you ever wondered what goes into making a Kentucky State Trooper? Well, now's your chance to find out. Come join us here at the Kentucky State Police Academy on August 22nd of this year. And you can see for yourself the Academy staff who would train you and even the barracks where you might stay. You also would have the opportunity to see various specialized functions of the Kentucky State Police. Everything from aircraft to canine to special investigations and even executive security. Come join us and find out what the Kentucky State Police is all about on August 22nd here at the State Police Academy.